Alright, today I'm going to be replacing this whole door frame and putting in a new door. Alright, we just finished up this door. It makes a total difference to the entrance of the house, so make sure you watch this video if you want to see how we did it. Alright, so the first step is I'm going to take off this casing on the inside, so I'm just going to score it with the knife so it doesn't mess up the paint. So right now I'm just going to be taking off the old attachment for the screen door. So right now I'm just going to be taking off the door from the frame, so I can start working the frame off. So the door is totally off now, it's off the hinges, and then I took off the sill plate. So now I'm just going to be cleaning it up, and then I bought this little piece of wood to put in there so it's all level. So I just got the old frame completely out. Looks a little janky, but we'll fix it up. Alright, so right now I'm just going to be cleaning all this stuff up and getting it ready for the new door. Fit good after I clean this out with the shop vac. I've got this piece of wood all sized up and mostly level. Just nailing it to the subfloor. Alright, so right now we're going to try and put in this door, but we're going to go outside to do it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So the camera died when we were installing it, but I just did this to do a soft fit. If you see the screws, they're not really like engaging with anything. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be using this stuff. I've never used it before, but some quick setting cement just to lessen that distance. So I'll show you that right now. This is what it's looking like after I use that concrete stuff. It's not perfect, but hopefully it'll allow the screws to actually drive into something. It looks a lot better than it did before. Okay, put the bottom first, like this.
Oh shit. Sorry, I'm so weak.
You're gonna have to go lift it up and push it out more a little bit.
Should I push it this way? Push in. Is it? Oh shit, that's a wasp. What is it?
Alright, we just got the door all hung and it's shimmed up. I started doing a little bit of the installation, as you can see, but I'm just going to finish it up right now. I got it all foam insulated. Now I'm just waiting for it to expand and cure, and then I'll cut off the excess. And then right now I'm just going to be putting in the handles. The camera ended up dying when we were installing the deadbolt, but here it is all done. I'll show you from the outside. So right now I'm just going to be cutting off this insulation and then doing the casing on the interior part.